This is chassis of Tektronix 453 oscilloscope, and it works fine. It's an amazing piece of engineering. I cannot believe that you can buy it for $120 nowadays. Unbelievable. So I have a problem with a little switch here on the first channel, which feels loose and loses contact. So I need to access the switch. I'm removing this little plate, and you can see, if you can, yeah, it looks like it lost the nut holding the switch, and we'll just need a regular contact cleaning, I hope so. So let's proceed. Looks like I have to remove this panel, front panel, to access all the mounting hardware inside. So it is pain because I have to take a hex key and unscrew all the knobs and everything on this panel to remove it. Let's do it. I removed all I could, but it's impossible to reach. I don't know how to remove this. I try to unscrew these boards. They kind of move, but well, I don't know how to reassemble this beauty. It's really tough challenge. Well, I'll give it another try. Well, that was something, but I managed to remove this board. So now I can change the switch and do whatever I want, but I hope I'll be able to put everything back together. Wow. Also, this input connection is screwed up and soldered right here. So that explains the intermittency and then just disappearance of channel 1 input. So I have to take care of this too. So it's all done. Back in shape. And while I was doing it and looking at the boards, I found that on this board, it's a little capacitor here. It looks not too good. Some sort of oxidation. So I'm gonna try to find it on schematic, see what it does, and maybe change it for different cap. Otherwise, we're almost there. It's on. Looks like it's working fine now. That's my tone generator, 1 kHz. Here we go. Intensity. Scale illumination. Position. Everything seems to be fine.